Here's a little sneak preview of one of the videos that I've embedded into our online subscription ebooks. This week we're talking about making buttercreams. There's 3 different types that I've given recipes for. As you can see, I'm just pushing down the buttercream into this piping bag using a scraper. It's the best way to get your bag filled right to the end, because you really want to put some pressure on the bag here so that you can squeeze out a good quantity of your buttercream. Then you just squeeze a little bit out to make sure that there's no air bubbles, and pick up your cupcake and just with your hand straight up and down, going around into a circle, just pipe around the edge of your cupcake, and there you go, a beautiful rose. These are really easy to make, and it was the most popular that we've made this week. I even teach this to kids. It's so easy. You can give it a go.